Lesson 1-1, concept number 2. Translating from words to algebraic symbols. So now we're going to be going back the other way. In the previous video, we looked at how to take mathematical expressions and turn them into words. And now we're going to be looking at word problems and turning them into mathematical expressions. And all problems start as word problems, all real-world problems. If you're an architect or an engineer or any type of profession where you have a problem, it's going to start in words. Okay, you're going to have to explain the problem you're having. And translating those into a math equation is sometimes tricky. So when I am looking at a word problem, all right, the first thing I do is look for numbers or keywords that mean something similar to an expression. Okay, equal to, the sum, per, less than, all of those words mean something similar to an expression. Okay, let's look at an example. So here we have Bob. Bob has $12 and I have 9. How many more dollars does Bob have than me? Okay, so first of all, what are the number words that we see in this problem? Well, we have 12, all right, and 9. Those are the numbers. And then we have, for operations, we have how many more, and we have then. Okay, and those are really all the pieces that we need. Okay, from there we can look at it and we can see that if Bob has $12 and I have 9, then Bob is going to be at 12. I'm going to be at 9, and the expression in the middle, the operation, is going to be how many more does he have? Well, that's going to be a subtraction. So 12 minus 9 is going to be equal to 3. Okay, so all of the number words are going to get used, and all of the expression words are going to get used. And that's what you're looking for in a word problem. You're looking to translate some of those words directly into numbers or operations.